don't know if I should video or cheer.
I'm videoing and cheering.
I know, but with my phone.
I'll get one on my camera just in case too.
Are you set with that camera?
Yes, it's going. It's already running.
Started at 5 seconds.
All right. Hey, let's go, Ben. Let's go, Brandon. Okay, there you go. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna let you guys take the video because I keep focusing on this one.
Yes.
Whoa! Right, talk it up, talk it up!
You got it, guys. Keep going.
There we go. That's what made me nervous. Everything's making me nervous.
They're running very carefully. Which
They
I
are.
appreciate.
I'm proud of them.
I think next year we don't look for different colors. I think we should make this.
That's a good idea. I think it would be funny if like we have like a road again, we do like yellow and we're like, that's like fun. But like that I would think, oh, I can step there. That's the transfer zone. Okay. Probably need to that up last night.
No, it's he just had a he didn't hold it right. I think.
Okay. There we go.
Come on, boy.
Every time that stringer makes me nervous.
I know, I'm nervous.
Like, oh no, please.
Come on, boys. Come on, come on.
There we go. There we go.
Nice talk.
There we go. Keep it up. Keep it up. Come on. There we go. Zach's on a mission.
Nice job, you
Steve
guys.
Johnson. Who's Zach?
Hey, Steve.
Okay. Cross brace. Dear Jesus, please help this cross brace to go good.
He's got it. He's got it.
Go, Zach. Go. Go, Zach. Go.
Thank you.
There we go. Top's good. Okay. Autumn. Autumn. There we go, Zach.
Nice job.
Oh, the cross brace makes me nervous every time. Oh.
I feel like a monster match.
Go, Benjamin! Attaboy, Brandon!
That gave me more grandma energy.
I'll be the grandma. Maddie's the mom. I'll be the grandma. We're doing good.
Let's go, UAF!
Oh yeah.
Oh, there we go. We're there. We're there.
We're there. We're there.
Come on,
Oh.
boys.
There we go. Last piece. Let's go.
Go further.
I'm just so sorry. It's okay. We got this. And his. And me yelling in the camera like a grandma, but that's cool. Okay, Zach's doing throwing both things. Ben's
Yes.
going, Ben's going.
No, they're slowing me. They're slowing me.
Okay. 20 seconds till we're hitting our 25. Quick, come on, come on, come on. That's okay.
It's fine, it's fine.
Let's go, UAF! You got it! I'd rather them have. I'd rather them have.
Yes. They're doing good.
There you go, Brandon. Good check, good check, good check. Go, go, go. Nice job. Okay. Are we okay if I stop filming or?
Yes.
Wait, I'm gonna film.
Around a little over. Very good. So, what is Cal Poly at?